name is Jamie Jo, and I am with Jamie Jo Sells Wax. We are a fragrance company, and we have been partnered with Scentsy Fragrance since all the way back in 2008, over 14 years now. I fell in love with Scentsy products because of three main reasons. They absolutely worked. I was using them in my classroom and in my home and fell in love with them. They were absolutely safe enough to have around all the kids in my classroom, my own family, and my pets at home. And then I loved the fact that number three, it was affordable. For those three reasons, I decided to partner with the company and have never looked back. I'm so excited about my partnership with Scentsy, but I'm also super excited about this. This is our monthly Whiff box. And I just got it in, guys. I have not even opened it. I saved it to share with you guys so I could do a live unboxing with you. Now, what is our Whiff box? Whiff box is a monthly surprise box that Scentsy puts together. It is $35 in the US, but you are promised to get over $35 worth of value of products inside. I just love it because it gives me an opportunity to try products that maybe were not on my radar, or fragrances that were not on my radar. And I have found some new favorites thanks to the Whiff box. Now, I'm not gonna lie, there have been a couple times that maybe it was something that wasn't totally my jam, but it's awesome to be able at that point to share some more Scentsy products with my friends and family, because the beauty of Scentsy is we have so many different products and so many different fragrances that somebody is bound to love every single item. So even if it's not for me, I know someone else in my life that will absolutely love it. Now, I told you this was $35, but it's very rare that one of my customers pays $35 for it. Most of my customers save 10% on it and only pay $31.50. So hang out with me for a little bit and I'm gonna tell you how you can get that cheaper price every single month on the Whiff box. But first, let's jump right in and see what is in this month's Whiff box. Oh, okay, it is starting to get a little warm, so they have done their summertime packaging on a couple things. Let's start. There's always this fun little paper in there that kind of gives you an idea of the feel of the box, what the theme is. It says, it's a good day for a good day. Interesting. Doesn't give me a lot to go on, but I'm gonna start by digging into this bag right here. Now you're like, what in the world is that? The coolest thing with Scentsy is the coolest thing. Pun not intended, but definitely a pun. You'll understand why. Because a lot of our products are meltable products, wax melts and different things like that. And I live in Oklahoma. Gets a little hot here. It's already been getting a little hot here. I'm gonna pull this real quick. I knew that would be loud. So in the warmer months, Scentsy really goes above and beyond in their packaging. They put everything in these, I don't know how to describe it. Heat seal bag, not heat seal bags. And this, I mean, it's fully melted now, but this was an ice pack at one time. So they make sure that your products are going to come to you in great condition. If by chance there's ever a time that you get an order and things are not in tip-top shape, if maybe they're a little bit melted or whatever the case may be, always reach out to me or whoever your consultant is and let them know, because Scentsy will make it right. So here's the cool thing. I like to save these and I save my ice packs too. Ice packs, I mean, obviously great for ice chests or whatever. These can be reused as an insulated bag, but I just use them as poly mailers too. So they're kind of fun. I just kind of tuck them to the side and save them up. And when I have a package to send out, I do that. Okay, guys, we have, oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. These are the three new scents for the summer collection. I had no idea they would come in my Whiff box because I actually ordered them as well. So these don't actually come out until June 1st. I say I ordered them. That's a perk of being a Scentsy consultant. You get to order things early, but guys, this would have been a perk if you had the Whiff box. you can still get these before June 1st. I'm so excited. Okay, let's do a little sniff test. I don't even have the description of them. I'm so unprepared right now. We're just gonna go with it. I don't have the descriptions of them, so I'm just gonna sniff them on a whim and tell you what I smell. Ocean air and coconut water is the first one. Oh, so light and refreshing. Ocean water is right. It's very light and refreshing if you like beach, ocean, aloe water and cucumber, any of those fragrances, Palm Beach and Ocean. What is that scent? Palm Beach and Ocean Breeze, I think is the name of one of our current ones. You're gonna like this. Very light, very refreshing, a spa, yummy, yummy fragrance. Pineapple dragon fruit. How fun that a pineapple fragrance is green. Oh, this is tart. Very, very tart. Pineapple dragon fruit. Guys, can't talk today. Very tart. Oh, I love it. Citrusy, very summery. Yum, yum, yum. And then tangerine and sugarcane. Oh, these are so good together because they're so very different. So this is sweet, mild, sweet, like a calmer fruit, where the pineapple dragon fruit was very tart. This is like that berry, sugary, smooth fruit. Ooh, yum, yum, yum. I like all three of those. I love how they're so very different. A lot of times when we have a new collection come out, some of the fragrances are very similar. These are very, very, very different. So yeah, these are available June 1st unless you get a Whiff box. Then you can get them early this month. And then this is super fun. The Whiff box always has this little sample cup. This is wax. You can use it in a warmer. This is the scent of the month for next month, for June, Pacific Mist. Guys, I'm gonna get a little sneak sniff. Sneak sniff, is that a thing? We're gonna say it is. Oh, well, so much for saving this for a customer. I totally tore into it. Oh, this is like a laundry scent, like fresh, clean linen. Oh, if you liked Inner Peace, that's one we used to have. You're going to love this. If you're a fan of Clothesline or Clean Breeze, this is going to be for you. Ooh, I like it. I like it. I like it. Actually, since I tore it all up, it might be going in one of my warmers today. Guys, we have 3 more things in this box. I told you it was valued higher than $35. Right here, we're at $17 for a 3-pack of wax. Yes! I'm so excited. Guys, I use this on the regular. I'm always excited to get washer whiffs, especially in Fiji Flower. That's the fragrance for this month. Guys, this is my standard go-to for all my laundry products, so I'm so excited to just have more on hand. If you're not familiar with washer whiffs, they are the best thing that ever happened to my laundry room. So it's like a salt crystal that smells amazing, especially in Fiji Flower. So it's not gonna wash your clothes, it's not gonna soften, it's just gonna add fragrance. So you're gonna use either Scentsy detergent or an unscented detergent of your choosing, and then sprinkle this in your washer on your dirty clothes, and your clothes are gonna smell the best that they've ever smelled, even for weeks and weeks afterwards. So if you've never tried washer whiffs, you've got to get in on this whiff box so you can give them a try. One of our hand soaps, oh, it's in that pineapple dragon fruit, that new fragrance, the one that was very, very tart. So that's interesting packaging. The wax is bright green, but the packaging on the soap is very different. So I actually needed a new hand soap in my guest bath. So I'm gonna be popping this in there. Our hand soap smells so good, so yummy. Yes, I love this too. Lake My Day Scent Circle. This is one of my favorite fragrances, and it's kind of masculine. I was just hopping in my husband's truck the other day, and I told him his truck was being stanky. So this is actually gonna get passed right along to him. So let's add up our value here. I'm gonna have to look at my catalog for a cheat sheet on some of these things, and I don't math well off the top of my head, so no judgment, friends. Okay, our hand soap is $9. I already said our pack of wax was 27, so, or 17, so that's $26. We're gonna add in our washer whiffs, so that is $12, so that is $38, and then our scent circle is $3, so $41 plus your little tester of the new scent of the month for next month. So what a great deal. $35 if you just order it online, or I told you guys I was gonna give you a fun way to get it at a discount. If you want to get the Whiff box for just $31.50, you have got to get a Scentsy Club. So Scentsy Club is our customer loyalty program. It's so cool because it doesn't cost anything to join. You can change it at any time. You decide how often you want stuff, either every month, every other month, or every third month. You can just set it and forget it, and you will always get what you want from Scentsy. So I have all my customers who love the Whiff box. They add the Whiff box onto their Scentsy Club. So most of my customers that get this every single month. So they get it for $31.50 every month. They also get discounted shipping with Scentsy Club. So Scentsy Club is the way to get your Whiff box if you want the best price. So this was $41 worth of goodies. They're getting it for $31.50. So it's a fabulous, fabulous deal. You can jump over to JamiJoSellsWax.com and get started on Scentsy Club there. Or if you want to pay more and just get the Whiff box, you can do that as well. You also can text me anytime to 918-888-9690. If you haven't smelled a Scentsy fragrance in a while or ever, I would love to pop a little sniff sampler in the mail to you. So you can just text the word samples to that same phone number to 918-888-9690, and I will get your address from you and get those goodies in the mail to you. Other than that, my name is Jami Jo. I'm here to make your nose happy and help you get started with Scentsy Whiff box so you can try all kinds of fun new Scentsy products.